Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan if you're new here. Today is just going to be a continuation of my two-strand twist that I did on my locks. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll go ahead and put a card and I'll put a link in the description. But today I'm just going to be taking out my twists. I think I put them in last Friday, so it's been a little less than a week, 6 days, but we're gonna go ahead and see how they turned out. So I'm gonna take my bonnet out. And you could see with me how they're gonna come out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start in the back. So the reason I'm taking my twist out today is because today is actually my birthday and I'm 24 today. I did work, but I got off around 3:30. So now, I'm probably just gonna go to a park, eat some good food, chill out for the rest of the day, because we are on quarantine. So, quarantine birthday. Okay, so that's how that back part is looking. And this is just going to be a little quick video because I didn't want the other one to be too long in case somebody just wanted to look at that. But I guess how to wash locks. I kind of combined them. I could have made two separate videos for like washing locks and then doing two-strand twists. But whatever. I'm trying not to rip the rubber bands out of my hair, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
I think they're coming out okay. The last time I did this, it didn't hold. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video, but it didn't hold because I had just spritzed my hair with water, and compared to like this time I washed my hair, so my hair was like pretty much not soaking wet, but it had a good amount of water in the locks to, I guess, hold its shape. So we'll see how long this one lasts. Let me know down in the comments let me know what your favorite lock style is, and then let me know if you like the two-strand twist. They don't have to be my two-strand twist, but just in general. And if you guys have like any pointers or something about how I can make these last longer, let me know too, because I think the last time I did it, when I washed it, the first time I did it, it lasted about maybe 2 weeks. So I don't want this video to be too long either, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse so you guys can just see the process of me taking out my twist. guys, so this is how the two-strand twist came out. And I'll probably give you guys a little bit of a closer look, but it came out way better than that second time that I did it. But I think I like the first set that I did a little bit more. I think this right side I need to perfect it. I like the way the left side looks, like as far as how they fall. But we'll work on this right side a bit. But I like it. I really like how it looks when I like flip it over. But yeah. Okay, so this is how the locks are looking a little bit up close. Let's see if you guys can see. And then the right side. And then my top. It's getting a little frizzy because, you know, you can't expect it to be straight forever. Okay, so I hope you guys were able to get a decent look at how the locks are turning out. And then let me see if I could do like back view. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you go down and click the subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!